Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Karimeen Pollichathu. It's a traditional Kerala delicacy where the fish is coated with a spicy masala, wrapped in banana leaf and then cooked. It's a tasty dish. So let's check out the recipe.
Karimeen Pollichathu is a classic dish. You can also use sear fish or pomfret, but the most popular one is karimeen or pearl spot. Clean the fish thoroughly. I normally remove the head part. Make some slits on either side of the fish for the infusion of spices. First we have to make a masala paste. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, salt to taste, lime juice and 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Mix everything well. Coat the fish with this spicy masala. Marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat coconut oil in a pan and shallow fry the fish for 2 minutes. Do not overcook the fish. Remove from heat and keep it aside. Now we have to make a shallots tomato masala. You can also add onions, but shallots impart a great taste to the dish. Heat coconut oil in a pan, add curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, green chillies and shallots. Here I have taken about 20 to 25 shallots. Saute till the shallots turn translucent. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon pepper powder and salt to taste. Mix everything well. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes. Cook the tomatoes till they turn mushy. Add half cup coconut milk and cook till the masala thickens. Finally add 1 teaspoon lime juice and curry leaves. Wilt the banana leaf by showing it over the flame. Keep the masala. Then place the fish on top of it. Spread some more masala on top. Keep some curry leaves and wrap the fish. Tie it with a banana fiber or twine. Now heat coconut oil in a pan and place the fish. Cover it with a lid. Cook on either side for 5 minutes. Remove from heat. Our lip-smacking Karimeen Pollichathu is ready to serve. If you liked my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.